Welcome back. So for this week's code exercise, what I'm going to want you to do is think about the dancing line exercise that we did, this one, right? And remember how we talked about, this program, this drawing machine. Really, all it is some drawing constraints that we've built on top of this simple framework, right? We have two animated points that are moving by getting animated using Perlin noise, and then we're deciding to use that to create this this sort of drawing system, drawing framework. I gave you one example in the last lesson where we could build on this by taking some measurements of where these points are. Maybe we're changing the shape, right, using a square instead of a line. So just like we did last week, you're going to use this example as your starting point, and then just kind of put your own twist on it. Just add your creativity to it. So what that means is, you can rethink how the framework is being drawn, right? So what kinds of shapes are being drawn. You could play with the parameters that are available. Maybe you can find some new parameters to add. You could add a color element, perhaps. You could also think about, how would you add some more points? Maybe you can have like a triangle of points being animated, and what kind of visual animation could you build on top of this new structure if you added a third point, right? What could happen there? So I want you to come up with your own original drawing machine that's going to be using these animated points as a framework. And just like last week, you're going to submit the whatever you come up with, and we're going to review those when we meet in class next week.